Hi beauties, this is again amifullest. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm here to just sit down and talk to you guys. It has been 2 weeks since I cut my hair. I know when I upload the video it was a little bit late, but it has been 2 weeks. So today I want to come and show you guys what my hair is looking like. I shaved my head, bald head, like with no hair. This is what my hair looks to look like. I'll put a picture here. I'll show you guys when I shaved with no hair. I went in with the shaving blade and I blade everything off. There was no hair, and it has been 2 weeks. Today's actually the second. Today makes actually 2 weeks, completely 2 weeks today. I shaved my head on the 27th of February, and today is the March 12th. So it's been 2 weeks since I cut my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. My hair is growing. I have not been doing a lot to my head actually. It's just wash my hair, and I wash my hair with black soap whenever I'm taking shower. I go black soap and really scrub my head because it's itchy. I don't know why. Maybe because of the shaving stick I used to shave, because after I use the hair shaving machine, I went in with a shaving blade to smooth everything out. Maybe because of that was what was making my hair to be itchy, because I know whenever I use like a shaving stick on my body it gets itchy. So I feel like maybe that's why my head was itchy, but now it's getting better. It's not as itchy as like the way it's used to, like the first week when it started growing out. It was itchy as hell. But what was helping me to stop the itchiness is actually shea butter. I have been using shea butter, so I want to come and show you guys the shea butter I have been using. And yeah, so I'm back. So I have been using shea butter. This is the shea butter I've been using, and I still get itchy, to be honest. This is the shea butter I've been using. This is the shea butter 100% raw Ghanaian shea butter. If you follow me on my Instagram, I have found somebody who sells raw Ghanaian shea butter for you guys, because you guys have been contacting me asking me about somebody that sells shea butter and black soap, the pure one, real organic shea butter. I have finally found someone for you guys. Follow me on my Facebook page at amifullest on Facebook page, and you guys will see all that information, or I will make a video towards that topic. But this is the shea butter. I have been using it now for a while now. I have been experimenting with it. I also want to use this shea butter to make my own hair cream, because I really want to try to make my own hair cream. I remember back then I used to make my own hair cream, and I used to use that on my hair and my skin, and it really used to make my hair feels really soft, really good. I wasn't buying a whole bunch of products out there, but now you're just buying a lot of things. You're just using this and this and this and this, and you actually don't know what is working for you. So I'm happy that I cut my hair, and I just want to start fresh. And shea butter is very good. You guys can see it doesn't leave any white residue as soon as you put it into your hair like this. When you put it into your hair, it's of course it's white, but when you just massage it into the head, everything is just disappearing. Everything is looking so good. I really like the shea butter, and it smells so good. You take this little, you warm it up into your palm. You guys see how easily it melts. And this is the pure Ghanaian shea butter. This is what I've been using on my head, on my skin actually. But I'm going to make my own cream very soon, which I'm trying to get few ingredients which I want to get. I already, sorry, I'm out of words. I already have the shea butter. I have to buy jojoba or jojoba oil. I don't know the pronunciation, and I have to buy mango butter oil, a mango butter, I need some few more ingredients to make it like the way I used to make it before. But it has been 2 weeks, and my hair is really grown. And guys, go please and subscribe to my beauty channel. I do have a makeup channel at amifullest beauty. I do have amifullest beauty, amifullest, which is all about hair and sometimes I do put in some beauty videos in here. But I'm a fullest beauty. It's all about beauty. Hair is also beauty, but it's all about makeup, try on haul, shopping, you know, just all that kind of fun stuff, you know. So I would really appreciate if you guys can go and subscribe to amifullest beauty, and you know, not just balance both channel. So yeah, I really like it. So this is what my hair is looking like. So I just did a makeup look tutorial on this look on amifullest beauty. So if you guys want to know how I slay this bald headed like this no hair thing, follow me on my YouTube channel at amifullest beauty. I will leave it in the description box, and I'll also pin it in the comment box so you guys easily can go and subscribe to amifullest beauty. But yeah, this has been 2 weeks and I've not been doing a lot. I've not been putting any of those leave-in conditioner that I purchased from the store. I've not been putting anything. All I do, I wash my hair with black soap, and then I take my shea butter. I take my shea butter and I moisturize my head. I moisturize my hair with shea butter, and sometimes my hair will be like shiny, but it really makes the hair feels really soft. Like my hair feels so soft, and I really like it, you know. And I'm happy that the itchiness has stopped. I want to know, do you guys have that same issue, like when you use blade, like when you use like razor blade, like those shaving stick on your skin? Do you guys get like itchiness, like when the hair is starting to grow back? Do you guys have itchiness? Like, I don't know, but when I use shaving stick, I don't use shaving stick anymore. Like that was back then. I don't really use shaving stick anymore, but because I was cutting my hair and I wanted to shave all my hair off my head, and I couldn't go in with a wax or epilator, because I do epilate other parts of my body or do hot wax, but I couldn't do that on my head. So I thought, you know what, let me go to the store and pick up some razor, some shaving stick, and shave everything off. But when I finished shaving my hair off, the first 2-3 days when the hair started like pulling out, like start growing a little, OMG, the whole of the week I was like this in my head. I was like this. That was just like itchy. The itchiness is crazy. So what I was doing, I was taking a lot of shea butter, rub it on my head and put it, you know, like, and also because of the blade I use, my head was dry. My head was dry. It was itchy. I was itching it the first time, and then it was dry. My head was dry. When I said dry, it was dry. It was really dry. So the shea butter really helps me, you know. I was like itching it and oiling my hair with the shea butter. So now it's getting better. Like now you don't see that dry patches, but it was dry when it was just the first week. It was dry. It was looking very crazy. I was going out of the house, I put cap on, or I use head tie to tie my head because it was dry and it was itchy. It was very annoying, but I'm happy at least now it's getting better. But yeah, this is like 2 weeks of growth. So I can't wait to see what my hair will look like by the 27th of this month, because then it's going to be 1 month of shaving my hair off. So I can't wait. And tell me, what do you guys think? Do you guys think like my hair grows? Because people told me your hair grow fast for like 2 weeks. The way your hair was like, your head was no hair. For your hair to grow this fast in 2 weeks, your hair grows really fast. But I really want to know what you guys think. Do you guys think my hair grow fast? But you know, do you guys think my hair grow fast? Like everything is starting to grow back. Like at the back, everything is growing back. My edges is growing back. You know, like I didn't shave anything when I cut it. I just shaved everything up. So now it's like I want it to grow a little bit fuller, and I'll go and to the, now this time I'm going to the barber. I'm not going to do it myself, okay? This time I'm going to the barber and I'm going to let them shape my hair, gonna shape the hairline very nice. And I've seen some nice haircuts on the internet, which I really wanted to try. So this year, 2020, is all about experimenting on hair. I do bought a lot of hair before ever. I don't know what's wrong with me. Like I ordered some hair from AliExpress, wanting to do crochet braid, and now the hair has just arrived, and I'm like, what am I doing with this hair? I'm gonna keep them, because I might change my mind to grow my hair out a little bit more and then maybe do some crochet braid. Who knows? I changed my mind because it's just hair. But my purpose this year, my plan for this year was I wanted to go like short hair. I wanted to cut my hair, get a really nice hair curl, and then maybe I colored my hair. Maybe, I'm not too sure, maybe colored my hair, or maybe just like rock it like this, you know, but a little bit like a fro, a little bit like this mini fro. But yeah, this is 2 weeks of hair growth. So guys, I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box, and I'll definitely come with a video talking about the shea butter. But I'll at first put the information of the lady who sell the shea butter. This is somebody that sell the shea butter, and I've also tried this shea butter. Actually, is from his shop. It's from her shop. Okay, so this is not my own personal shea butter. I do have my own shea butter that I got from Ghana. I still do have a lot of it, but I purposely went to her store to get this one to compare it with mine, and it's the same. It's the same one I have. So I've been using this hers for a while now. So I'll definitely come with that video to talk to you guys about that and give you guys more information. But I'll try to post her email address and her contact in the description box, so if you guys want to reach out to her before I upload the other video talking about the shea butter and the black soap. So guys, this is again Amy Fullest, and please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page, and don't forget to follow me on my beauty channel at amifullest beauty if you guys want to see makeup tutorial like this one, because I'm really loving my makeup. My makeup game is better than the way it used to be a couple of years ago, because when I watch my old videos like 6 years ago, I'll be like, Jesus, my eyebrow used to be like just one line, you know, but now you guys can see now I'm getting better. So I would really love to know what you guys think about my makeup skills. So I'll leave my beauty channel, amifullest beauty, on YouTube. Go and support your girl. This is again Amy Fullest, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Peace out. Bye.